how's it going? It's Greg Jimenez. Kind of just went out and did some street photography out in LA because it was raining. That wasn't even part of my plan. Today I was just gonna go drop off some film, go develop it, but because it was raining, I kind of came out and took some photos. Set up my GoPro, kind of did some point of view stuff. But yeah, hopefully some of these turn out. I could probably add some commentary and some B-roll afterwards, but so far, I think the photos I'm most excited for are the ones where I snuck into the parking lot and took some of like the tunnel. There's a lot of like umbrellas and stuff that you normally don't see in LA, so that's kind of cool. What else? I don't know. There's a lot of cool. I feel like there was a lot of cool stuff. Normally, like I said, it doesn't rain too much out here, so right now that it rained, it's kind of nice. All right, so we're gonna do heads north, tails south. Hey Siri, flip a coin. I guess we're going south. All right, so I kind of forgot that my camera is not really weatherproof or weather sealed, so it's hiding under my jacket. Also, there's a shot here that I've been wanting to get. I've been waiting for it to get raining. Also, this parking lot's goated. It's like $10 and you can park till like 1 in the morning. Also, setup for today, what did I use? I used the EOS R8 and a Canon EF 28mm 2.8. Pretty solid little lens. Focus motors are really noisy. That's why I kind of just locked off the focus here. Yeah, but you know, nice little compact setup. I was getting this weird like haze right down the center of the lens. Like, you know, like it's round, but like literally dead center right in the middle. I got like a little bit of haze. I was scared that I was getting some sort of like fungus in there. Okay, wish I had like a subject or someone to shoot. I really hope my camera doesn't die on me today. But yeah, hope these turn out good. I'm kind of excited for a couple of them. Hope I can edit these kind of quick. Cherry Pickle Cafe. It's cool. A little lower. Almost. Sick. Kind of dig that. Cool ideas here. This is kind of blocking that corner right there. Doesn't look as cool from the back. Let's maybe get at an angle. That's kind of cool. All right, I just want to detail the rim, front fender. All right, so the battery died earlier and I didn't even realize it. But it's okay, because the battery only lasted like for that south side, and now we're on this north side of the parking lot. So we got two options. We can go down to Concert Hall or we can go down to the bridge. I feel like how everybody goes to the concert hall, so I'm gonna try out this bridge over here. There's a lot of cars here. I don't know if this will work out. I kind of like how that building's in the background, but with some more lens compression, it would probably look a little nice. I mean, just zoomed in more, I think it would look cooler. I feel like there's no real focus in that image. So we're kind of just waiting for it to get a little darker. It might be dark enough. I'm getting hungry too. I could use a coffee so I could make it home. Damn, it is actually getting kind of dark. I mean, I was waiting for it to get dark, but like, Oh shit. No wonder it's so hazy. Oh, I missed it. Oh. Oh, there's a person walking by. Let me let him pass by first. Alright, he's out of my frame. Can't really... I'll wait for them to pass because they're in my frame. Go in it. And they're out. Cool. Fuck, dude, my battery is literally gonna die soon. I have no idea. And then I have like this fucking thing with my lens. Literally, the battery is so freaking low. The battery's gonna die. Right late, turns right ahead. Let's go. I'll take that. And then I want one more, kind of like from this angle. Whoa. My hair hydrophobic. Cool. I'm gonna try to get this line right here, and then I think we're good. I mean, battery's bound to die. I might as well just let the GoPro roll out until it's over. Grand LA. Let's see if I can get this thing in the frame. I don't know. Same photo I wanted earlier, but different. Let me see. Is this my moment? Is this where I get that silhouette shot? Oh man, the battery died just right fucking now. Oh well. Shit. Right when I got the shot I wanted. Damn it. Oh well. Alright. Yeah, I'm not really one to vlog. I kind of panic a little in front of the camera. I'm being better about it. I'm also trying to add a little bit more of my personality, a little bit kind of like how I am, a little bit when I'm how I talk. But yeah, dog, let's do it. I don't know. I'm starving. I haven't eaten. I literally dropped off the film like right before they closed. I think it was like, what time was it? I think it was like 5 or 6 or whatever. I was like walking in. The guy was already trying to lock up. What else? But yeah, also the main reason why also is just because traffic was just terrible. Traffic was gonna take me 2.5 hours to get home. So I'm like, I have a camera. I always bring one with me just in case. Might as well snag a couple shots, take a couple photos, capture some photons. I literally caught like the tail end of like the, sunlight, and then I caught like the very start of like the sun kind of going down, and then my battery died. And then, it's kind of just my main gripe with the R8 is just the battery life. I remember like the 6D and like the 5Ds and stuff. Like you could take like 1,000, 2,000 photos, and you'd probably still have some battery left over. But now with these, like mirrorless cameras, I feel like the battery life's not that good. Then again, they're doing a lot more processing. A lot of them are even like denoising, like everything, whatever. I get it, it's technology. Stuff takes more power. I just kind of, and I get it. This camera has a smaller battery, so I literally bought it because it was like the cheapest full frame cheapest new full frame camera at the time. The quality of it is good. I like the images, the pictures that I've been taking. It's just, like I said, the battery was my only gripe. I even tried shooting on the R7 for a bit, and that was kind of rough. There was a lot of noise with that. Like, the R7 had its own set of issues, but realistically, I felt like I was not getting the quality that I liked out of the R7. Also, I could probably shoot this better in my room. And might just edit first. Yeah, we'll see what's up.